If you're following more than a couple hundred people on Twitter, it can be impossible to see the people you want to see. The solution's in this quick video where I show you how to set up Twitter lists to cut through the chaos and see the conversations you want. Hey, I'm Heidi Dean, and welcome to Social Media Secrets for Actors, where every Tuesday I reveal an awesome trick, hack, or app to help you work smarter, not harder on social media. So how do you create a Twitter list? Let's go. So what we want to do is find our list. We can either click right here, or we can click across the top here on list, and it's going to bring up all the lists we've created and all the lists that people have added us to. To create a list, we're just going to hit create new list. We're going to give this list a name. I'm just going to say awesome actors for right now. We can give it a description, and then we decide whether we want this public or private. The difference is, if it's public, people will get a notification when they're added to this list. If it's private, then only you can access this list. Nobody will know they've been added. So all I have to do to create this list is to hit public, hit save list, and now we can add people. Let me add somebody to this list. Here we go. Because it's public, they're gonna get a notification. Super, super simple, right? Once you created a list, it's now a curated feed of just the people you want to see. That is how you cut through all the noise on Twitter and see what you want to see. Pretty awesome, right? If you like this week's Social Media Secret for Actors, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you know when I have a new one just for you. I will see you on social.